This is your midterm exam module. To prepare for your exam, review all the reading assignments, supplemental materials, lecture presentations and videos, and supplemental media for modules 1 through 3 in advance. You should also review the midterm module to become familiar with the processes for taking the exam. The midterm exam is open source. You're allowed to use your textbook, supplemental reading materials, lecture presentations and videos, supplemental videos, and other sources to complete your exam. But it's important for short answer questions that you do not copy and paste any course materials. If you do need to cite a source, do so appropriately. Even though the midterm exam is open source, a lack of familiarity with the content could cause you to exceed the time limit for the exam. The time limit for the midterm is 2 hours and 30 minutes. Within the exam, we'll address the following topics: the context of the American criminal justice system, including the types of law, system components, the constitutional review process, criminal and civil responsibility, and the types of criminal offenses. We'll also address the elements of crimes, including principles and accessories, the elements of crime, conspiracy, the defenses based upon justification, and deadly and non-deadly force. And then finally, we'll discuss and test your knowledge of the concept of punishment in the American criminal justice system, including theories justifying punishment, the types of sentencing applied in the system, and alternatives to imprisonment, and the concept of proportionality in death penalty cases. The questions on your exam will be a range of multiple choice, true, false, fill in the blank, matching, and or short answer format. These questions will be similar to what you've had on your quizzes in modules 1 through 3. Multiple choice, true, false, and fill in the blank questions will be worth 2 points. Matching questions will be worth 1 point per matched item. And the short answers will be worth 10 points each. Short answers for the answers for the short answer questions should be no more than 3 paragraphs, but be clear and concise. Again, do not copy and paste from course materials to answer these questions. Any sources must be cited when appropriate. During the exam, don't use your back button on your browser. This will remove you from your exam and end your attempt. Only use navigation tools to move through your exam. You cannot save your work and return to the exam at a later time. Once you begin the exam, exams that are not complete by the end of the 2 hour, 30-minute time limit will be automatically submitted. There are no multiple attempts for the midterm exam. Now, the midterm exam will be open for 7 days during Module 4, from Monday at 12:01 a.m. to the following Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Keep in mind, this module is during Module 4, so you have work to complete in that module as well, so don't get behind. Good luck on your midterm exam.